Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. In appeal, the trial judge passed an order in order sheet declaring that the judgment is written, signed and dated separately. Stop. In another appeal also, similar order was passed by the ASJ observing that the judgment is typed separately and is signed and dated. Stop. Paragraph change. The preceding officer has passed such orders in order sheets in 2 sessions trials, 1 civil suit and 2 civil appeals, therefore, 1 Shri Sushil Kumar, advocate, member, State Bar Council made a complaint to the High Court on 12/2/2008, upon which the registrar, High Court of Chhattisgarh issued a memorandum to the district and session judge, Ambikapur to inquire the matter and submit the report. Stop. The district and sessions judge submitted a report to the High Court on the same day substantiating the allegations against the preceding officer. Stop. Paragraph change. It was informed by the district judge that in different appeals, the second ASJ has purportedly delivered the judgments, but the judgments are not available in the file, because they have not been written. Stop. Thereafter, the matter was placed before the full court on 4/3/2008, wherein, the decision was taken to transfer the cases from the court to the second additional district and session judge, Ambikapur to the court of district and session judge, Ambikapur for rehearing the cases in accordance with law. Stop. Another resolution was passed by the full bench on the same day, placing the presiding officer under suspension with immediate effect in contemplation of departmental inquiry in connection with the irregularities committed by him in discharge of judicial work. Stop. The departmental inquiry was completed and based on the inquiry report, the full court eventually resolved to impose punishment of compulsory retirement. Stop. By order dated 22/3/2011, the state government compulsory retired the presiding officer from the service on the recommendation of the High Court of the Chhattisgarh. Stop. Paragraph change. It is argued by learned counsel appearing for the petitioners, that the order passed by the second additional session judge, Ambikapur, acquitting the petitioner from the charges would not to judgment, therefore, the High Court acting through the Registrar General was not legally competent, nor it had jurisdiction to direct transfer of the sessions trial to the court of district and session judge, Ambikapur for rehearing. Stop. Learned counsel would strenuously urge that the trial having come to an end upon passing the order which amounts to judgment, nothing remained for transfer or rehearing. Stop. In any event, the order passed by the court on administrative side has the effect of setting aside the judicial order passed by the ASJ, therefore, the order impugned is without jurisdiction or authority of law. Stop. Paragraph change. Per contra, learned counsel appearing for the High Court of Chhattisgarh and learned government advocate appearing for the state, would submit that the order passed by the ASJ was to be based on a detailed judgment purportedly passed, dated and signed separately, however, there being no such separate judgment, the trial did not come to an end, therefore, in an extraordinary situation like the present, the High Court has rightly transferred the cases to the court of SJ. Stop. Paragraph change. The issue for consideration is what constitutes a judgment in a criminal trial and when it can be said that the judgment satisfies the legal requirements so as the same to be a legally binding document, which terminates the proceeding in the manner provided in the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973, within bracket for short the CRPC, within bracket close. Stop. The other issue is about the jurisdiction and authority of the High Court in exercising administrative powers to treat the trial as pending and thereafter, transferring the same from the court of ASJ to the court of SJ. Stop. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.